Welcome to Wise Learn. In today's video, we'll be diving into infinitives, what they are, and how to use them in different contexts. Stick around until the end because we have a fun quiz to test your knowledge. Let's get started. The infinitive form of a verb is the base form, usually preceded by the words to. For example, to eat, to play, and to run. Usage of infinitive.
1,
To express purpose or intention.
2,
After certain verbs, want, need, decide, etc.
3,
After adjectives. 4. After nouns. Let's explore examples for each usage.
She studied hard to pass the exam.
She studied hard to pass the exam.
We walked to the park to enjoy the fresh air.
We walked to the park to enjoy the fresh air.
I called him to ask about the meeting.
I called him to ask about the meeting.
She took the bus to get to work on time.
She took the bus to get to work on time.
I'm going to the store to pick up some groceries.
I'm going to the store to pick up some groceries.
I ran to the kitchen to make breakfast.
I ran to the kitchen to make breakfast.
She bought a gift to surprise her friend.
She bought a gift to surprise her friend.
We went out for dinner to celebrate her promotion.
We went out for dinner to celebrate her promotion.
He went to the doctor to get a checkup.
He went to the doctor to get a checkup.
He's going to the gym to build muscle.
He's going to the gym to build muscle.
She needs to complete the assignment by tomorrow.
She needs to complete the assignment by tomorrow.
She plans to visit her parents next weekend.
She needs to complete the assignment by tomorrow.
He agreed to help us with the project.
He agreed to help us with the project.
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
We hope to find a solution soon.
We hope to find a solution soon.
He refused to cooperate with the investigation.
He refused to cooperate with the investigation.
They decided to go on a road trip.
They decided to go on a road trip.
She offered to help me carry the bags.
She offered to help me carry the bags.
He decided to participate in today's match.
He decided to participate in today's match.
I hope to see you at the party.
I hope to see you at the party.
We are excited to see the new movie.
We are excited to see the new movie.
She's eager to meet her friend.
She's eager to meet her friend.
It's important to stay hydrated.
It's important to stay hydrated.
He's afraid to speak in public.
He's afraid to speak in public.
She's ready to start his new job.
She's ready to start his new job.
The task is hard to complete on time.
The task is hard to complete on time.
It's amazing to watch such a talented performer.
It's amazing to watch such a talented performer.
I'm proud to be part of this team.
I'm proud to be part of this team.
It's difficult to believe he won the race.
It's difficult to believe he won the race.
She's happy to be back home.
She's happy to be back home.
She has the opportunity to learn a new language.
She has the opportunity to learn a new language.
There's no chance to recover the lost files.
There's no chance to recover the lost files.
They made an effort to complete the task.
They made an effort to complete the task.
I've always had the dream to open my own restaurant.
I've always had the dream to open my own restaurant.
I have a habit to wake up early.
I have a habit to wake up early.
They discussed the plan to renovate the office.
They discussed the plan to renovate the office.
The team's goal is to win the championship.
The team's goal is to win the championship.
She had the option to work from home.
She had the option to work from home.
He felt the urge to apologize immediately.
He felt the urge to apologize immediately.
I have the desire to succeed in my career.
I have the desire to succeed in my career.
Alright, it's quiz time. Let's put your knowledge of infinitives to the test with a fun and exciting quiz. Let's see how many you can get right.